Good morning students. In previous lecture we studied about graph. How we make graph from a equation. In this lecture we study the representation of a line. How a line is represented in two different forms. The first form in one variable and the other is in two variable. We have the standard equation for a line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Both the concept will clear by only this single equation. If there is no second variable, we have only a single variable x or y. We call it as equation geometric representation in one variable only. If we have both the variables x and y, we call it as two variable representation. So one by one we will study. First of all, we study about geometric representation of a line in only one variable. For example, let x is equal to 3. This is a line. We have to represent in only a single variable. So what will we have? A number line. We know that number line start with origin 0. In this positive direction we have positive value. In negative direction we have negative value and so on. Now we have to represent x is equal to 3 on one variable. So where is 3? This is 0, this is 3. We have positive 3. So this is variable x, this is 3. This point, this is x is equal to 3. This is then generally a number line representation in one variable. For x is equal to 3. If we have y is equal to 2, for example, what will we have? We have to represent the variable y. This is the y variable, or we will represent it as like this. This is the y variable, this is the origin. Upward is positive, downward is negative. But you may generally in the book we will get in this form a horizontal line. So this is 0, this is positive, this is negative. So represent y is equal to 2. Y is positive plus 2. So we have here this is the plus 2, this point, this is y is equal to 2. This is the general representation of a line in one variable only. So let we study about equation in two variable. How we represent this equation? The same equation in two variables. In this condition, we have to compare x is equal to 3 with the standard equation, this one. We have to compare this with this one. In this situation, we have, for example, x is equal to 3. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Compare with this. X is equal to 3. We have x, replace it. Y equal to sign we take in left side. Now compare this with the standard equation. What will we have? In this case, we have a is equal to 1. We have b. Nothing is b. We have c. C is minus 3. We have to compare this equation with the standard equation. So now we have to represent this on a plane. Now we have to represent this on this line. For this value, what will we get? Now we have a plane, two variables. In this question, we have only a single variable. y we represented in on a single variable line. Now we have two variables x and y. We have to represent this line on a plane. So what will we get? If I replace different values of x, y, what will we get? 4. Y is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, or y is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 2. And for more values of y, what will we get? Replace y is equal to 0. We again get x is equal to minus 3. What will, for y is equal to 1, 1 multiplied by 0 is 0, x, we again get x minus 3 is equal to 0. For y is equal to 2, we get x is minus 3 is equal to 0, and so on. For every value of y, we get the same value, that is x is equal to 3. Now represent one by one. We replace y is equal to 0, we get x is equal to 3. Where is 3? This is 3. Y is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. Y is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. This is the first point. For y is equal to 1, x is equal to again 3. For y is equal to 1, x is equal to 3. This point. For y is equal to 2, x is equal to 3. This point. This point. If we replace negative values of y, we will again get x is equal to 3. This is y is equal to minus 3. And so on. Now join all these points. This is the representation of a line, this line in two variable formation. Geometric representation of x is equal to 3 in two variables. This is what x is equal to 3. Thus we have the solution for x is equal to 3 in two variables. For other values, for x or y, we may represent it in the following manner. Thank you.